Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making pizza fries. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 5 russet potatoes, 1 14-ounce jar of pizza sauce, 1 7-ounce package of pepperoni, 3 cups of mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. After you have thoroughly washed your potatoes, now it's time to peel, then slice them into fries. Preheat your oil to 325 degrees, then deep fry the potatoes for 5 minutes. Place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil, then sprinkle them with salt. Now, using the baking dish of your choice, layer your French fries, pizza sauce, cheese, and pepperoni. Transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 10 minutes or until your pepperoni is done and your cheese has melted. Remove them from the oven and now they are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.